I'll demonstrate Lumimail's key features. Lumimail has 4 main tabs. Compose tab, where you select your Google Sheet, pick the data columns you need, and let AI generate personalized emails effortlessly. In Templates, you can browse and customize professional email designs. And with one click, open the designer for advanced editing. The Contacts tab helps you import, manage, and even discover new leads, keeping your audience organized and up to date. And finally, in Sequence, automate your campaigns with multi-step workflows and smart, timely follow-ups. Let's go back to AI Compose tab. Here you can go to the dashboard by clicking on the Plan button in the top left corner. Your dashboard provides a central hub to view your plan details, credit balances, and campaign performance at a glance. Going back to Lumimail side panel, begin by choosing a Google Sheet from your drive that contains your contacts and any details you want to use, such as names, companies, or other personal info. This sheet will serve as the data source for your email campaign. Then decide which columns from your sheet should be inserted into the email to personalize it. Common choices are first name, company name, or any custom detail. Simply select the fields you want Lumimail to include for each recipient. In the bottom section, we have 2 subtabs. Quick AI email that we're in and add that element that we'll illustrate later. Next, pick an email style or tone to set the voice of your message. For example, you might choose a formal tone for business outreach or a casual tone for a friendly approach. This ensures the AI writes in a way that fits your brand and audience. Then choose how many AI tokens you want to use to generate emails. 300 tokens are recommended for 2 to 3 paragraphs emails length. And finally, enter the prompt to AI. I will write something like, I'm Katie from Lumimail, a Chrome extension that boosts your email outreach with AI-powered content, bulk emailing, and Google Sheets integration. Please draft an email announcing our new CRM integration to our clients. Now, let's click the Generate AI Emails button. A quick prompt appears, warning that this action will overwrite any previously generated AI data in your Google Sheets A columns. Hit OK, and watch the magic happen. Lumimail instantly creates 3 brand new columns: Subject A, Preview A, and Body A. Each column is filled with unique, personalized email content, meticulously crafted for every recipient in your contacts list. With Lumimail's advanced AI Compose, you're not just sending emails. You're delivering tailored messages that connect, engage, and convert. Experience the power of precision outreach and elevate your email game to a whole new level. Next, let's add attachments to your email. Simply click the green attachment icon, select the files you want to include, and they'll be added to your message. When you're ready, hit the Send button to dispatch a merge mail featuring your freshly generated AI emails to your contact list. A confirmation prompt will then appear, asking you to verify that you have reviewed all AI-generated content. After all, even AI can sometimes miss the mark. Once you confirm, each personalized email is sent out individually. You can later check your sent folder in Gmail and marvel at how beautifully personalized and professionally crafted each email is, all generated and sent with just one click. To schedule your emails for later delivery, simply click on the scheduler icon to open the scheduling settings window. Here, you can set the initial run date and time for your campaign. Next, choose your repeat mode. You can opt to send emails once or have them repeat every few hours, days, or weeks. For even more control, select multiple times a day to specify exact send times, or multiple days a week to choose your preferred weekdays. You can also set a maximum number of occurrences or an end date to automatically conclude your campaign. Finally, enable tracking options like opens, clicks, or replies so you can monitor your email performance. Since you're a new user, please sign in again to add a new refresh token to our server. Click OK on the prompt, and you'll be redirected to the Google sign-in window. Lumimail requests access to your basic profile and email address so we can securely identify you and display your account details within the app. We also ask for permission to access your Google Drive, which enables you to save, retrieve, and manage your AI-generated email templates in a dedicated Lumimail folder, keeping your files organized and secure whether you're creating new templates or loading a saved design. Finally, Lumimail needs modified access to your Gmail account. This permission allows you to send emails directly, create drafts, and track responses, ensuring our AI-powered email composition, follow-up scheduling, and send email tracking work seamlessly for you. Once Oath is completed, click the Schedule button again, and you'll see the status update to Scheduled Successfully. From here, you can easily manage your schedules, delete the ones you no longer need, and add new ones as your campaign evolves. Now let's come back to the Add AI Element subtab in Compose. Here, you can enrich your Google Sheet by adding a new, AI-generated column tailored to your data. First, set your maximum token limit to control the length of the AI output. Then, enter a custom prompt, say, "Hi, I'm Katie from Lumimail," our all-in-one Chrome extension that combines AI-powered email content, personalized bulk emailing, and Google Sheets integration in Gmail. Here are our clients' requests. Please draft an email response addressing them. If you've selected specific columns for data input, Lumimail will use that information to generate even more personalized results. Once you click the Add AI column button, Lumimail processes each row of your sheet and appends a brand new column filled with unique, AI-crafted content. This powerful feature not only saves you valuable time, but also elevates your email campaigns with data-driven, personalized insights.